You are amazing. Believe in yourself. You have come to topic number 19, PMP Agile practice questions. Today we will learn about what does a development team do on agile projects. How will you answer the questions that related to development teams, roles and responsibilities on PMP or PMI ACP examination? If you're preparing for any of the agile certifications like PMP, PMI, ACP exams, CSM or SAFE, this series is going to understand what are agile topics. If you're preparing for interviews, also this series is going to help you understand how to tackle situational and scenario based questions in your work on agile. Okay, having said that, let's get started with the first question today. Question number 107. You are managing a project and during a sprint, one of the development team members raises concerns about product's technical feasibility. Okay, now there is some issue with some technology. The team is divided on how to proceed. What should you do to maintain the focus and ensure the progress as a scrum master or a project manager? What do you do? Escalate the issue to project sponsor for resolution. So, my boss, see, these guys are not listening to me. What should we do? No, don't do that. Okay, it's your job to address the issue. Ask the development team to conduct additional research and discuss the best course of action in the next sprint. Your problem is now, what do you want to address it in the next sprint? Not the best choice. Understand that. In this exam, you kind of address the problem then and there. You don't delay on solving problems even as a project manager, right? It's always good to solve the problems then and there. Encourage the development to resolve the issue within the current sprint without disrupting their work. Okay. Without disturbing, how is it not possible? The work is already disturbed, right? There are concerns getting raised. So this is what is the reason you're not taking a choice. Facilitate a discussion among the team members and guide them to collaboratively decide on the best course approach. Okay, yes, this is a good choice. Let them discuss, facilitate a discussion and then see what best can be done to this. Will they take it in this sprint or the next sprint? So after D, C can come in. If the decision is like, let's do it now, it's not disrupting the work. Okay, so best choice is answer choice D. Let's see the answer. Yep, D is the right choice. The development team is self-organizing, meaning they should collaborate to resolve issues. The project manager's role is to support this process by facilitating discussions rather than escalating or making decisions for them. Okay, that's the thing. So choice D. 108. A key stakeholder has requested a change to the product during the sprint. The development team is already committed to other tasks and concerned that accommodating the request will delay the sprint and the best course of action. Okay, what should we do? Somebody requested a change during the sprint. Team is already committed to a task, concerned it will delay the sprint. Absolutely. What is the best course of action? Instruct the development team to accept the change and adjust their workload accordingly. Okay, address the change. How do we address? First, let's try to understand what is the change. What is the impact of this change? Is it impacting my sprint? Let's see that first, right? Meet with the product owner and development team to evaluate the impact of the change. Yeah, this is a good choice. Choice B is good. Choice A is not a great choice. You just can't go and address it immediately. What's the impact of this? And then decide if you can address in the next sprint. Ask the development team to reprioritize the task to accommodate the change within the current sprint. No. Prioritization is done by the PO and development team picks up the work and they do it. Escalate the issue to no, escalate is not the option here. Choice B is a good choice. Okay, you don't escalate to get management to get additional resources. First, understand the evaluate, right? After you evaluate, then it's very critical. You have to do. You don't have people, then probably ask for more capacity and will be in the next sprint. So choice B is the right choice. Yes. The product owner is responsible for prioritizing change, evaluating the impact, and collaborating with the team ensures that the decisions about the changes are made based on the capacity and priority rather than forcing changes mid-sprint. Okay, so you have to kind of evaluate the impact. 109. A senior developer on your team often takes the lead on critical tasks, leaving less experienced team members with simpler work over the time. Okay, now seniors are doing critical things, juniors are not doing so. The juniors are upset. Real life scenario. Over time, this has led to gaps and frustration among team members. Yes. There are gaps in trust among team members. What is the best approach to handle the situation? Assign tasks to team members equally, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to work on critical tasks. Assign tasks to team members equally. Equally, it's difficult because sometimes based on the skills and talents it's there, we'll have to assign the work to them. Okay, now the best choice. Encourage senior developers to continue taking on more critical tasks to ensure they are completed correctly. As a good choice, but then we want to have a shared understanding and we want to keep learning things among the team members, right? Conduct a teaming to discuss task distribution, allow the team to determine how to share responsibilities more effectively. Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, that's a good choice. It's more like collaborative way. You're allowing the team to do things over here. Team to determine how to share responsibilities more effectively. Offer training to less experienced team members to help them catch up with the senior developers and skills. Training is good, but we want more collaboration among team members. That's more important. Okay. We cannot have people work in silos in Agile. So best choice is C. Let's see the answer. Yes, C is the answer. The development team should be self-organizing, meaning they should collaboratively decide how to distribute tasks. Involving a discussion ensures that the responsibilities are shared and learning opportunities are created. Let's go to question number 110. Your development team has completed all their tasks for the sprint, but another team in the organization is struggling with critical issues. Okay, how should you handle the situation? Some team is struggling with some critical issues. Allow the development team to relax as they have completed their task. Okay, team's task is done, but in the org there are some issues pending. Another team. Okay, now will you loan people? That's a term we jargon we use in organization. Can you loan me a resource? Allow the development team to relax as they've completed a sprint. Okay, but not the best choice. There is a problem to be solved. Reassign some of the development team members to assist the targeting team with the critical issues. Reassign them directly. Talk to the people. No? What if something else the team is planning to work on this time? Facilitate discussion with the development team and allow them to decide if and how they can help with the struggling team. And that's a good thing. We want them to own up things. Ask PO to add tasks from the struggling team's backlog to current sprint. No. Each team will have their own backlog. You can't have start working on their backlog by putting things from there to us. Okay. So choice C is the right answer. Let's see. Yeah. In self-organizing teams, members decide how to handle additional work when their tasks are completed. The team should be empowered to decide whether they can assist another team based on their availability and expertise. Okay. 111. During a sprint, a conflict arises between two members regarding the approach to a technical challenge. The tension is affecting morale and progress. As the project manager, what should you do? Okay. Now, two people have different approaches and now it's impacting the team morale and progress. Let the team handle the conflict independently as they are self-organizing. No. You don't just let them handle by themselves. Have a discussion. Escalate the issue to PO for resolution. No, PO will not help this. Don't escalate it. Mediate the conflict and help both team members come to mutually agreeable solution. Yes, facilitate discussion mediated. Reassign tasks to avoid further conflicts between the two members. No. Don't avoid problems. Okay, by just reassigning tasks is just avoiding the problem. Again, tomorrow there will be another task that will work together. Okay, mediate and and help both team members. Okay, this is important because like sometimes even I've had issues with other team members working on a team. Okay. I would prefer not to work with them, but again, in future there will be an opportunity. I'll have to go and work with them again. So it's always good to kind of bury the hatch, talk to each other face to face, and see the bigger picture and get working. Okay, that's important. Don't delay work over there. So choice C is the best choice. Let's see the answer. While development teams are self-organizing, the project manager can step into the mediate conflicts that disrupt progress. Helping team members resolve conflicts in constructive manner is a part of facilitating teamwork and ensuring smooth operations. Okay. 112. All of the following are true about development teams. Roles and responsibilities except the context-based questions. Except. Development team is self-organizing, manages its own work. Yes, they are self-organizing, they manage their own work. We don't assign tasks to them. Development team is collectively accountable for the product increment delivered at the end of the sprint. Yes, it is not a Scrum Master responsibility, it's a development team's responsibility. Scrum Master ensures that the things are going in a smooth manner, but the accountability of the delivery lies with the development team. The development team depends on Scrum Master to assign tasks during the sprint. No, it's a self-organizing thing. Scrum Master will not do it. The development participates in sprint planning to select work items they can commit to completing. Yes. So the correct, incorrect choice is choice C. Therefore, answer is C. Yep. Next one. All of the following are responsibilities of development team except define the work required to complete product backlog items. Yes, that's a responsibility. Committing to deliver a potentially releasable increment of product functionality at the end of every sprint. Yes. Deciding who among team members will perform specific tasks assigned to Scrum by the Scrum Master. Scrum Master doesn't assign the task. Collaborating product owner to define the product backlog items and estimating the work. Yes. Collaboration will do. Choice C is incorrect choice. Yes, that's the right answer. The development team self-organizing collectively decides how to accomplish their work. The Scrum Master does not assign tasks, the team determines task allocation internally. Hope you understood the concepts on development team roles and responsibilities. I will now share you a mind map, a summary mind map. If you're maintaining the notebook, make a note of this mind map. If not, start maintaining the mind map. We have got another 15 plus more topics to come in. We are in topic number 19 today. We have shared 19 mind maps till now. All this will help you for a quick review. We just need a plain paper and a book and just start making these mind maps. Before the exam, this becomes a very quick review. It is both the right and left side of the brain, and you can retain and recall information faster and learn faster and better. Okay. So, development team, what is the purpose of this team? To build the product increment. They own the sprint delivery goal. Okay, the development team owns the sprint delivery goal. They are self-organizing. They collaborate with the stakeholders. Okay, with the across the team. They foster continuous improvement of the product and also their own improvement as well. A development team, when are they involved? During the product backlog refinement, sprint planning, daily Scrum, all the Scrum events, demos, retrospectives, they are available. Benefits: they have the accountability to delivery. Quality of the delivery increases with them because of them. Flexibility, okay, as the flexible to take the changes, collaboration increases. So these are the benefits of development team. Any question on development team, now you should be able to answer them. If you have liked this mind map, please do hit the like button. Put a comment in the comment section of what is your learning of this. Hit the bell icon to get to know what is the next video. Now before that, I'll share you a study tip for PMP examination. And the study tip for today is giving mock exams. Now you have to get into the simulation mode. Okay, you have to sit and write for 3 hours 50 minutes and get the feel of PMP examination. Okay, it helps you a lot. Okay, the rate at which you should be going, like one question is for 1 minute 20 seconds. That's the rate at which you should be answering questions. So mock exam gives you the environment. In the exam, you might find some tough questions, some easy questions, but that will give you an exposure simulation. It's been many years since we have started for like close to 4 hours in one place and given an examination. Get the feel of it, give the mock examination, and you'll get an idea about how it's going to be in PMP examination. After 60 questions, take a 10 minutes break, again give 60 questions, again take a 10 minutes break, and then give the final 60 questions. That's how the exam is planned for you. Do give that. Mock exams is what helped me scale up my score. I'll put a video over here on top with how to prepare for mock examinations in detail. But right now, like how I started off, like in the first mock exam back in 2015, I got like 90 on 200, just 45%. The next one I got 95, just 2.5% increase. And the next one I got like 100 on 200, and then it was 110, and then after that 120. Okay, so these are the gaps. Like the duration of 5 to 6 weeks, I used to give this examination week on week, every weekend, or once in 15 days, and that's the continuous growth I saw. From 45% when I reached up to 60%, I was very confident that I can go give the examination. Do assess as a project manager. You should measure your own metrics. You have to analyze and evaluate. These questions, these tests are there for you to increase your learning. It will help you a lot because the PMP exam fees is like almost $555, pretty high fee. You want to prepare well and go and give the examination. At least practice 1,000 plus questions. On YouTube itself, I'm uploading right now 300 questions. I'll be uploading more questions for you all so that you can learn for your PMP examination and pass the exam in the first try. But for sure, give mock examinations. You get the feel of the entire examination, and then the simulation help you not panic or get stressed out during the final exam for the PMP exam day. Having said that, let's check where we are on the PMP mountain. We have finished the 50% journey now. 19 videos and we have climbed half of the mountain, half more left. Let's go and finish this. You are amazing. Believe in yourself. Keep progressing. This continuous improvement. 5 questions every day, 5 to 7 questions. 10 to 12 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes as what each video is taking you. This will help you learn faster and better for PMP examination. The mind maps are also going to help you do a quick revision, and the questions are helping you test yourself. All of this is going to intensify your learning and help you pass the PMP examination. The first try, don't know it halfway. You have come halfway, just half made more. I've got another like 19 plus videos. We could have total close to 40 videos also, right? We are on 19 videos, like 50% is done. That's like 38 videos or more than that videos what total we're going to get. Having said that, let's have the mindset to pass the PMP examination in our first try. With that, the next topic I have is on Agile mindset. Hit the bell icon to get notified about that. Thank you for watching my video. This is Arham Faraaz. Bye-bye.